The Hunter ICD-100S Decoder simplifies two-wire irrigation installations with a prewired design that saves time in the field, eliminating decoder-to-solenoid splices during installation. By removing a pair of field splices per station, contractors can install faster while reducing potential failure points. Designed for use with ACC2 controllers and compatible with all Hunter valves, the ICD-100S integrates seamlessly into existing ICD decoder systems. Installers can easily expand or modify two-wire systems, maintaining the trusted performance of Hunter decoder technology while supporting long-term serviceability. The decoder and solenoid can be replaced independently, allowing contractors to service only the component that needs repair instead of replacing an entire assembly. This helps reduce maintenance costs and keeps systems running with minimal disruption. Built for durability in demanding field environments, the ICD-100S includes integrated surge suppression and a copper ground wire connection to help protect the system from electrical damage. 18-inch or 45-centimeter wire leads provide added flexibility during installation and make future servicing easier. By simplifying installation, improving serviceability, and delivering the reliability professionals expect from Hunter, the ICD-100S Decoder provides a practical solution for efficient two-wire irrigation system design and operation. To learn more, visit hunterirrigation.com.